Coffee is a daily ritual for many people, and for those over 60, it can be more than just a source of comfort. At this age, the body begins to face challenges like weaker bones, stiff joints, lower energy, and changes in blood sugar. The question is not whether to drink coffee, but how to make it work for your health. Researchers have shown that coffee contains natural antioxidants, which can fight mild inflammation and support circulation. But coffee on its own may not always give you the balance your body needs as you get older. The key is to pair your cup with simple, healthy ingredients that boost its benefits and reduce its risks. Imagine turning your daily coffee into a health drink. By adding just 5 natural ingredients, such as spices, healthy fats, or nutrient-rich foods, you can protect bone density, ease joint discomfort, stabilize energy levels, and even support blood sugar control. These additions are easy, affordable, and based on nutrition that science has already proven to be valuable for older adults. In today's video, we will explore these 5 ingredients that can make your coffee not only taste better, but also help your body stay strong and balanced after 60. Stay with us until the end to learn how you can apply them to your own routine in a safe and effective way. And before we dive in, if you find value in practical health tips like this, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us reach more people and motivates us to share more useful content every single week. Cacao and coffee, a brain and energy boost. When it comes to upgrading your coffee, cacao is one of the most powerful and natural ingredients you can add. Pure cacao is rich in flavonoids, magnesium, and natural compounds that protect both your brain and your circulation. Unlike sugary chocolate, which can spike blood sugar and add empty calories, pure cacao delivers benefits without the downside. Flavonoids found in cacao are well studied for their effects on brain function. They improve blood flow to the brain, support memory, and may even help reduce age-related cognitive decline. For people over 60, this is especially important. A warm cup of coffee with cacao can give you the mental clarity you need to stay sharp and engaged every day. Cacao also works on circulation. The compounds inside help relax blood vessels, allowing better blood flow and more oxygen delivery throughout the body. This means your heart, muscles, and even your joints receive better support. Combined with the natural caffeine in coffee, cacao helps balance energy release, avoiding sudden crashes that leave you tired. Another benefit of cacao is its magnesium content. Magnesium supports nerve health, reduces muscle tension, and plays a key role in keeping bones and joints strong. For older adults dealing with stiffness or discomfort, this can make a real difference. Adding cacao to coffee is not just about taste, it is about creating a drink that supports your body where it needs it most. So how should you use it? Choose pure cacao powder with no sugar and no artificial sweeteners. Add about 1 teaspoon to your coffee, stir well, and enjoy. You can combine it with a small amount of milk or plant-based alternatives if you prefer a smoother taste. What matters most is that you keep it pure and natural. By making this simple change, you can turn your regular coffee into a healthier drink that fuels your brain, supports your circulation, and helps you maintain energy levels without overstimulation. It is a small step, but it brings powerful results. Collagen in coffee, supporting joints, bones, and skin. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It provides structure for your skin, cushions your joints, and strengthens your bones. As we age, especially after 60, our natural collagen production decreases. This leads to stiffer joints, weaker bones, and wrinkles or sagging skin. Supporting collagen intake becomes essential for maintaining mobility and youthful energy. When combined with coffee, collagen can be an easy daily addition. Many people worry that the heat from coffee might destroy collagen. But research has confirmed that collagen peptides remain stable even in hot liquids. That means adding collagen to your coffee will still provide the full benefits without losing its effect. The benefits are clear. For joints and bones, collagen helps repair cartilage and supports bone density. lowering the risk of stiffness and fragility. For skin, it promotes elasticity and hydration, helping reduce the signs of aging. This is why collagen has become one of the most recommended supplements for older adults. So, how should you take it? A common dose suggested by nutrition experts is around 10 grams of collagen peptides daily. You can easily add 1 scoop to your morning coffee and stir until fully dissolved. The taste is neutral, so it does not change the flavor of your drink. Consistency is the key. Taking collagen every day brings better results over time. The best time to take collagen with coffee is in the morning. This is when your body is ready to absorb nutrients and you start your day with a routine that supports your bones, joints, and skin. If you prefer, you can also split the dose, half in the morning and half later in the day. The goal is to make it a habit that fits your lifestyle. By making collagen part of your coffee routine, you are not only enjoying your favorite drink, but also protecting your joints, supporting your bones, and keeping your skin healthier. It is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in daily health. Milk or soy milk with coffee, protein and calcium support. Milk and soy milk are both excellent ways to turn your daily coffee into a more balanced drink, especially after 60. They provide protein and calcium, 2 nutrients that are critical for bone and muscle health as we age. Protein helps preserve muscle mass, which naturally declines with age, while calcium is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures. One concern some people raise is that proteins in milk or soy may slightly bind with polyphenols in coffee. Polyphenols are antioxidants that bring many of coffee's benefits. Research shows that while this interaction happens, the effect is mild. You still absorb plenty of antioxidants from coffee, even when drinking it as a latte or with soy milk. At the same time, you gain valuable protein and calcium, making the combination worthwhile. This balance is important at 60 and beyond. Strong muscles and dense bones mean greater mobility, fewer falls, and better independence. Choosing milk or soy milk as an addition makes coffee not only enjoyable but also supportive of long-term health. So, what about soy milk compared to regular milk? Soy milk is rich in plant-based protein and contains isoflavones, compounds that may support heart and bone health. For people who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based diets, soy milk is a smart and healthy alternative. A simple latte or a cup of coffee with a splash of soy milk can provide extra nutrition without adding too many calories. The key is moderation. Avoid heavy creamers or sugary flavored syrups, as those can quickly outweigh the benefits. The best time to enjoy this version of coffee is in the morning or early afternoon. A cup of coffee with milk or soy milk can give you both energy and sustained nutrition to carry through the day. It is a simple, practical habit that supports bones, muscles, and overall well-being. Cinnamon and coffee, antioxidants and blood sugar balance. Adding a pinch of cinnamon to your coffee is more than just flavor. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. For older adults, antioxidants are especially important because they support healthy aging, protect the heart, and lower stress on the body. Cinnamon also has another unique benefit: it can help regulate blood sugar. Research suggests that compounds in cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system. This means your blood sugar rises more gradually after meals, which is very helpful at 60 and beyond, when blood sugar control becomes more important. But not all cinnamon is the same. The common type sold in many stores is called cassia cinnamon. While it has benefits, it also contains higher levels of a compound called coumarin. In large amounts, coumarin may stress the liver. A safer choice is Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon. Ceylon contains very low levels of coumarin, making it better for long-term daily use. So how should you add cinnamon to your coffee? A light sprinkle on top of your cup is enough. Around 1/4 teaspoon per day can bring benefits without risk. Too much cinnamon, especially cassia, can do more harm than good. If you buy cinnamon for daily use, look for Ceylon cinnamon when possible. The combination of coffee and cinnamon gives you a warm, flavorful drink that also supports your health. It offers antioxidants, helps balance blood sugar, and adds a pleasant aroma without sugar or cream. For people over 60, this simple addition makes your coffee both healthier and more enjoyable. Whey protein and coffee, fighting muscle loss with energy. As we grow older, one of the biggest health challenges is the gradual loss of muscle, also called sarcopenia. After 60, the body naturally loses muscle mass if we do not supply enough protein. This leads to weakness, slower recovery, and a higher risk of falls. Protein is the building block for muscle, and adding enough to your daily diet can make a huge difference in strength and independence. Whey protein is one of the best options because it is absorbed quickly and provides all the essential amino acids the body needs. When you combine whey with coffee, you get a double benefit. Coffee gives caffeine, which boosts alertness and energy, while whey protein fuels the muscles for repair and strength. Together, they provide steady energy that lasts longer than coffee alone. Many people find this combination reduces fatigue and keeps them active throughout the day. There is also scientific support for this mix. Studies suggest that whey protein taken with caffeine can improve workout performance, endurance, and recovery. For older adults, it is less about building big muscles and more about staying mobile, energetic, and strong enough to enjoy daily life. A coffee with whey in the morning can be a simple step toward better health. So how do you prepare whey with coffee the right way? The biggest mistake is stirring whey protein directly into very hot coffee, which makes it clump. To avoid this, mix the whey powder first with a small amount of room temperature water or milk to create a smooth liquid. Then, pour this mixture into your warm coffee while stirring. This way, it blends smoothly and tastes creamy without lumps. The amount matters too. Around 15 to 20 grams of whey protein in a cup of coffee is enough for most older adults. More is not always better, especially if you already get protein from meals. The key is consistency. Using whey protein daily can help protect against muscle loss and keep your energy stable. When it comes to adding ingredients to your daily coffee, the main idea is simplicity. You do not need all 5 ingredients at once. Even 1 or 2 can already make a clear difference in your health and energy. A sprinkle of cinnamon for antioxidants, or a scoop of whey protein to protect your muscles, can help you feel stronger without changing your lifestyle too much. The key is to choose what fits your own body. If you have sensitive blood sugar, cinnamon may help stabilize it. If you are worried about bone strength, a little collagen or calcium-rich milk may be a good option. If you want more lasting energy, whey protein can give you that extra support. There is no single formula for everyone. It is about listening to your body and picking the option that feels right for you. Remember, coffee is not just about taste. With a few simple adjustments, it can become part of a daily routine that supports your health as you age. The goal is not to complicate things, but to make small, smart choices that add up over time. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like it and subscribe so you will not miss the next tips. In our upcoming video, we will explore another important topic: coffee and its impact on sleep. If you have ever wondered whether coffee is the reason behind your restless nights, you will not want to miss that one.